Most people install Termux but never use its real power. Today, I will show you 5 powerful Termux tools every beginner should know, and make sure you stay until the end, because I will give you a bonus tool that most beginners don't know about. Let's get started. Tool 1. Python. The first tool is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. You can use it for automation, scripting, and learning programming. To install Python, type pkg install Python and press enter. Tool 2. Git. The second tool is Git. Git allows you to download projects from GitHub. Many cybersecurity and programming tools are hosted on GitHub. To install Git, type pkg install Git. Tool 3. Curl. The third tool is Curl. Curl allows you to communicate with websites and servers. It's useful for developers and cybersecurity learning. To install curl, type pkg install curl. Tool 4. Nano. The fourth tool is Nano. Nano is a simple text editor inside Termux. You can use it to edit files and scripts. To install Nano, type pkg install Nano. Tool 5. Nmap. One of the most famous tools, Nmap. Nmap is a network scanning tool used by professionals and security researchers. It helps identify devices on a network. To install Nmap, type pkg install Nmap. As promised, here is the bonus tool. The bonus tool is htop. It allows you to monitor system processes in a clean and simple way. To install htop, type pkg install htop. These are some of the most useful tools